I want to talk about the economics of this incident, because
Yeah.
एक जो कॉमेडी शो होता है वो 600 रुपए का होता है जहाँ बहुत सारे लोग परफॉर्म करते हैं एंड नो वन मेक्स एनी मनी. A lot of comedians work at the Habitat. They employ tons of people, right? What has happened after the latent row and after this episode yesterday, एक signal to brands and audiences कि आप comedians में, आप content creators में पैसे मत invest करो, ठीक है? आप कहीं और invest करो. So across the industry, there is a cool down. Now, a lot of these guys, they work 6, 7, 8, 9 gigs per night to pay rent in Mumbai, right? And Habitat just happens to be the ecosystem that funds all of that. If this goes away, which it is right now, it's a signal to everyone, a lot of these guys will be on the streets. तो आपके जो comedians हैं, creators हैं, they're not able to make money because उनको जो signal जा रहा है वो ये जा रहा है, if you do commentary, it has consequences. Better become complicit, right? So many people are actually signing off and away from becoming comedians. They're saying, okay, let's do corporate shows, let's do other gigs, let's find other careers, which is really bad because we're in the age of AI.
Yeah.
I mean, as a podcaster myself, I have a big subscriber base. If who pays me money, if the ability to do a live show or the ability to find brands, if that goes away because everyone around is scared of the governments on both sides, then I mean, what is the future of independent entertainment or independent entertainment?
I,
Even people like
I,
you, Barka.
Yeah, no, I want to say I'm so glad that you have brought in the economics of it, because we simply don't think how many lives this impacts when we do something like this. And what's going to happen is it doesn't matter whether you like, hate Kunal Kamra. If you're a brand today, you're going to say, hey, listen, let's just stay away from comedy. Political comedy तो कभी होनी ही नहीं चाहिए, मत ही करो. Religious comedy नहीं होनी चाहिए, political comedy नहीं होनी चाहिए, social comedy नहीं होनी चाहिए, तो comedy बची क्या?